All right, we're here with Nick Johnston, who graduated with a degree in professional writing in 2013. How are you today, Nick?
I'm doing really well, all things considered, in the middle of a pandemic, but we're hopefully on the tail end of that now. But we're keeping it together.
I hear you. So, what do you do?
Currently, I am a data migrations analyst for FIS Global. It's a similar. People in Columbus might compare it to a larger TSIS. So, which prior to FIS, I was with TSIS for 5 years. So I been in the financial software tech industry for about 6 years now.
So, what do
So,
you like about your job?
I, honestly, the new one, I've been with FIS since September. It's more of a technical position. I do a lot of like database manipulation and script writing, and something I never really thought I would do, but I really, really enjoy it. There's a lot of critical thinking that goes into it. You have to come up with novel solutions for rather complex problems, and I've really enjoyed it so far. So,
Well, tell us how you got to where you are, starting with getting out of college and getting your first job, and then up to here.
so out of college, job market wasn't incredible. I started at TSIS, so I graduated in December of 2013. I started at TSIS in March of 2015 as a technical writer. Um, and I was there, like I said, for 5 years. As far as how I got there, we had a lot of CSU students actually that were working at TSIS at the time in the technical writing department, former English majors. Um, they put in a good word for me, and we had a pretty bang up team of former professional writing majors that did a great job for our documentation program over there. So, yeah.
And then this job came up and it gave you a chance to advance.
Yeah, advance and kind of take on a new challenge. I've actually also been doing web development for 2 years now as a freelance side gig with contracting out of an agency in New York City. Um, and I got that tech bug, and I decided that I wanted to kind of explore that a little more. So when this opportunity came up with FIS, I decided to take them up on it. So, yeah.
Awesome. And what advice would you give to a current English major at CSU?
When someone asks you what you can do with an English degree in a kind of a snide way, let them know that the world's there's so much you can do with an English degree. You're not, it doesn't preclude a career in tech like me, or any of the other disciplines. It's a very valuable degree. You pick up so many different skills that are applicable to any field. Particularly, I found that just the ability to communicate effectively has really been a boon for me in advancing in my career. If you read a few corporate emails, you'll understand why. It's a sought after skill, and I think that CSU prepped me for whatever career I would have chosen, and I'm certainly grateful to have gone there.
Well, we're glad that you were part of our experience there at CSU English and that you've succeeded so well afterwards. Best of luck to you moving forward.
Well, thanks so much, Joe. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too.